In the next few minutes, we want to show you how clothing manufacturers can achieve a high level of consistent quality with minimal labor skills, maintain flexibility, and increase productivity. Before we see these benefits in a clothing factory, let's explain the main features of the AMF Reese AutoJig system. The contours of the designer's creation, a collar for example, are created as an AutoJig template. This template guarantees the consistency of contour when sewing. From collars to jacket lapels and pocket flaps, the AutoJig template ensures consistent sewing every time. The optional fullness bar distributes fullness by the correct amount and in the right place to ensure both looks and fit. Consistent quality to give you fewer rejects and greater profitability. With the microprocessor, we can change programs for different styles at the touch of a button. The sewing machine unit remains the same. It's totally flexible and can be used with a range of AutoJigs. The standard sewing machine feed has gone. Now we feed the AutoJig and not the fabric. No more problems with lining slipping or pulling heavy wool through a conventional sewing head. Condensed stitching is automatically controlled at the beginning and end of seams. Slower stitching is controlled at the point of a collar or lapel. The fabric trimming knife is controlled to start at any point during the sewing cycle. And on larger components, the microprocessor gives the template a helping hand around the corner. All AutoJig machines are developed and assembled at the AMF Reese factory in Leeds, England, and the AutoJig templates can be quickly produced from computerized data or hard card patterns to suit any design. These then are the features that support our claims of consistent quality, minimal skill levels, maximum flexibility, and increased productivity. And now to the sewing room, where we can see jacket foreparts being sewn and assembled on the AutoJig. Here we see a typical installation. And not with a skilled sewing machinist, but with a semi-skilled jig loader. Within 2 days, a typical AutoJig operator is delivering respectable production levels, and within 2 months is a top performer with no rejected garments. And collars too. The sewing machine is working well within its capabilities, yet we're still achieving high levels of performance, reliability, and consistent quality. Fur collars present no problem. For a consistent result time after time, there's no better way to construct a collar. And pocket flap production is made to look simple. You can see the operator's level of activity during the sewing cycle and the continuous operation of the system. And from productivity to flexibility, the AutoJig system provides a profitable solution to the production of a wide range of garment parts. From the manufacture of high-quality men's and ladies' tailored garments to the production of retail fashion clothing, if you live in a customer-driven environment, let AutoJig help you meet your customers' demands. If you want to stay in control, no matter how remote your manufacturing facilities are, choose AMF Reese. Better ideas, better made.